Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to fill a text box with color in Canva. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Canva design where you want to add a colored background to your text. Once your design loads, locate the text box you want to work with and click directly on it to select it. This ensures that any changes you make will apply specifically to that text element. Now with your text box selected, look at the top toolbar of your screen. You'll see an option labeled Effects. Go ahead and click on it. This opens up a range of styling options that allow you to customize the appearance of your text beyond just changing the font or size. The Effects menu is where you can add shadows, outlines, and importantly for this tutorial, background colors. After clicking Effects, a side panel will appear on the left side of your screen. Within this panel, you'll see several options listed. Look for the one that says Background and click on it. This feature is specifically designed to add a colored fill behind your text, making it stand out more prominently against your design or helping it contrast better with busy background images. Once you've selected Background, you'll notice a color tile appears in the panel. Click on this color tile to open the color picker. From here, you can choose any color you want for your text background. You can either select from the preset color swatches, enter a specific hex code if you have a brand color in mind, or use the color wheel to find the perfect shade. The choice is entirely yours depending on the look you're going for. After selecting your color, you'll see it immediately applied to your text box background. But you're not done yet. Canva gives you even more control over how this background looks. Below the color picker, you'll find additional settings like transparency, roundness, and spread. The transparency slider allows you to make the background more or less opaque, which is useful if you want the background to blend subtly with your design. The roundness option adjusts how curved the corners of the background are, giving you either sharp edges or smooth, rounded corners. Finally, the spread setting controls how much padding there is around your text, so you can make the background fit tightly around the letters or extend further out for more emphasis. Adjust these settings as needed until you're happy with how your text background looks. You can experiment with different combinations to see what works best for your design. And that's it, you've successfully added a colored background to your text box in Canva, making your text more readable and visually appealing. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.